This happen always in every 10 years. And every time the dam of Cameroon is released, is open. What's the name of the dam? Lagdo. Yeah, every time the Lagdo dam is open in Cameroon, and some part of Nigeria, coupled with the rains in September. You can see this is a kilometer 4 Boko Road, Makudi. This is just the other side of Makudi that we're showing here, and you can see these are people's houses, and you see, and they have these little boats, canoe. Yeah, this is a canoe. They have this canoe, and it's help people to go inside to help them pack their loads. And you see, some trees are dying already. You can see that purple tree. So if you look around, please share this video and let other people see it, and tag other people and let them see the flood situation in Makodi. And this kind of flood is always happening after 10 years. In every 10 years, we experience this kind of flood in Makudi. And I don't know what we need to dredge this our river Benue, so that Benue State or the water is still coming. We're not too sure if the water can reach up to this level, but we are we're just watching and seeing what the water is going to do. But the water is still coming. Yes, it's still coming. So I have my friend here who will stay behind the camera and give us a brief history about this the flood. So my friend, just tell us. I think I'll bring my net, and if I can catch one or two, that would be nice. I love fishing. So, and every time I see fish, I'm always happy. So this is what is happening here, and we hope that the government will see this and bring a lasting solution to this, because imagine using your money to build a good house and you cannot stay inside. And some people like living around the river bank. And if you look, the river is not close to this place. The river is so far away from this place. It's about, I think, 2 kilometers from here. If not 4 kilometers from here. But as you can see, the water is filled up everywhere. And this is really, really bad. So thank you very much for watching. Share this video and let me know what you think in the comment section. And see you some other